Ranga Pravesham, meaning ascending the stage in Tamil. It is more than a debut. It's a profound ritual, a moment when a Bharatanatyam dancer steps into the world as a torchbearer of tradition and devotion. It celebrates years of dedication, the bond between the Guru and the Shishya, and the timeless legacy of an art form born in the sanctity of our ancient temples. In ancient times, Bharatanatyam was the dance of the Devadasis, women who offered their lives to divine service. Each performance was a living prayer ready to embody stories of gods and cosmic rhythms. Rukmini Devi Arundel revived it, transforming Bharatanatyam into a celebrated celestial art. As the dancers' anklets ring out and their movements paint stories in the air, they remind us that this art form is a breathing scripture that transcends time.
मनके मनवा सिद्धिय तोरे दिनकर कोटि तेजदि ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಜನಕರಾಜನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬಾರೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ.
As we step into the mesmerizing world of Indian classical dance, divinity, health, intelligence and integrity are embodied in the character of the dancer. Have you ever wondered why Indian classical dancers traditionally performed on temple grounds? The temple floors were designed with materials like granite or sandstone, which amplified the sound from the dancers' movements and purified the environment, healing the collective spirit. Neuroscientists have researched that Indian classical dance is a re-engineering of human system and has its link to neuroplasticity. Learning the tala and the raga simultaneously sharpens and reorganizes the brain's ability to multitask, to plan and to solve problems, making dancers more adaptable thinkers. The use of mudras stimulate the neural pathways which balance the brain's left and right hemispheres. And the intricate rhythmic footwork synchronizes the breathing patterns. The dancer's spinal alignment mirrors the axis mundi, the cosmic pillar that stimulates the Sushumna Nadi. Through Abhinayam, dancers live multiple lives, embodying the emotions of various beings like Lord Krishna or Lord Rama, which require the dancer to align to their inner morality. This process activates mirror neurons, making dancers incredibly attuned to the emotions of others. In a time when humans are grappling with disconnection, Indian classical dance offers profound healing.
The Guru is the pillar of Bharatanatyam and a portal of wisdom. Guru Shishya Parampara is a bond beyond words. It is not transactional but devotional. Every Shishya begins their training by worshipping the Guru's feet, called Pada Puja. The Shishya is in seva of the Guru and learns not just through instruction but surrender, observation, deep respect, patience and devotion. Adorned in richly colored attire, layered jewelry and intricate makeup, the Shishya becomes a visual masterpiece. Every fold of fabric, every gleaming ornament is designed to highlight movements, ensuring the audience's eyes follow every graceful turn and subtle gesture. Such perfection is what the Guru brings out of the Shishya. Our revered Guru, Srimati Dr. Raksha Karthik, embodies a rare blend of warmth and inclusivity. Grace flows effortlessly through her movements, while her eyes reflect a higher vision that beckons us towards greatness. She is a living inspiration, radiating confidence and assurance with every word, with a spirit rooted in humility and fortified by inner strength. She stands as a luminous guide, shaping not only our craft but also our character. The Guru's blessings flow into the disciple like an invisible thread, connecting them to a lineage that stretches back to the gods.
Jarvinya's Arangetram repertoire. Jarvinya begins with a Pushpanjali, meaning offering of flowers. It is an invocatory piece where Jarvinya seeks blessings from the gods, Navagrahas, the Guru, the music ensemble, and the audience. A tribute to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. The composition, Mahaganapatim Manasasmarami, celebrates his love for literature, drama, and music through a meditative invocation. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana depicts moments from the Ramayana, blending storytelling and movement to portray Rama and Sita as ideals of virtue. Gopalaka Pahimam Anisham narrates Krishna's divine leelas, including the story of revealing the universe within his mouth through expressive gestures and emotions. Daruvarnam honors goddess Chamundeshwari as both a nurturing mother and fierce protector, showcasing grace, stamina, and storytelling in this central piece. Andal, an incarnation of Bhudevi, inspires episodes highlighting her divine faith and devotion. Vishweshwara Darshanakar praises Lord Shiva of Kashi, urging devotees towards spiritual awakening and peace. Kula Kula Kulavendu delivers a message of spiritual equality, rejecting pride in lineage and emphasizing devotion beyond worldly identities. Dhanashri Tilana, dedicated to Lord Anantapadmanabha, is a vibrant finale celebrating agility, rhythm, and joy. Mangalam concludes with gratitude to the divine, the Guru, and the audience. Through this journey of Margam, Jarvinya offers a heartfelt tribute to tradition, divinity, and the art of Bharatanatyam.
పన్నీరు గంధము పుయ్యరుగా గంధము పుయ్యరుగా పన్నీరు గంధము పుయ్యరుగా అంతమైన యతునందనుపై కుందరదనలిరువందగ పరిమళ అంతమైన యదునందనుపై కుందరదనలిరువందగ పరిమళ తిలకముదిద్దెరుగా కస్తూరి తిలకముదిద్దెరుగా కలకల మనుముగ కలగని సొగుసు పలుకులనమృతములొలికే సామికి కలకల మనుముగ కలగని సొగుసు పలుకులనమృతములొలికే సామికి చేలము కట్టెరుగా బంగారు చేలము కట్టెరుగా మాలిమితో పాల బాలురతో నాలమే పిన విశాల నయనునికి మాలిమితో పాల బాలురతో నాలమే పిన విశాల నయనునికి హారతులెద్దరుగా ముద్యాల హారతులెద్దరుగా నారీమణులకు వారము యౌవన వారగ మోసగే వారి జాక్షునికి నారీమణులకు వారము యౌవన వారగ మోసగే వారి జాక్షునికి పూజలు సేయరుగా మనసార పూజలు సేయరుగా జాజులు మరి విరి వాజలు రవణమురాజ మురాజిత త్యాగరాజను తునిపై జాజులు మరివిరి వాజలు రవణ మురాజిత త్యాగరాజను తునిపై గంధము పుయ్యరుగా పన్నీరు గంధము పుయ్యరుగా తిలకము దిద్దెరుగా కస్తూరి తిలకము దిద్దెరుగా చేలము కట్టెరుగా బంగారు చేలము కట్టెరుగా హారతులెద్దరుగా ముత్యాల హారతులెద్దరుగా ಪೂಜಲು ಸೇಯರುಗ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಚ್ ಎನ್ ಕೇಶವನ್ ಹುಲಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್.